How to create AI image. In this video, I'm gonna show you simplest way to create AI image as it is in the trend right now. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you have to download Meitu app from your Play Store or App Store. This app is free of cost. You can easily download it. You can see that I have already downloaded it. After download is complete, you can open this app. Now over here you can find different options. Tap on this option of AI art. Tap on this option upload photo. Now here you can select the photo that you want to convert to AI image. I'm going to select this one picture. Now it is in the process. Just wait for a few seconds. AI is generating. AI will create 3 pictures. And it is done. Now you can simply tap on the photo and then tap on save. Now this picture will be saved to your gallery. Likewise, tap on the second picture and then tap on save. Tap on the third picture and then tap on save. In the case you want to make a video, you can tap on this option make a video and it will create video for you. In this way, you can easily create AI image using Meitu app. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.